So if we go traditionally, India has always been a non-aligned nation. But अब changing world order में, do you think it is somewhere penalizing us या हमारे लिए ठीक हो रहा है? क्योंकि हम बात करते हैं कि हमारे यूएस के साथ अच्छे रिलेशन है, इजराइल के साथ भी है और ईरान के साथ भी है. But when it comes to mediating for peace, Pakistan is preferred over India. So is it really sorting out things for us?
No, we have traditionally always had good relations with everyone. And that is why we have not joined any formal agreement. And just like BRICS, Quad is also not a military alliance.
Absolutely.
It gives an impression of that. It is actually quadrilateral security dialogue. So because of that word security, people think it is a military. But the Quad has also so many subcommittees which deal with, again, environment, the sea, business trade.
Right.
So, but somehow, in the public imagination, Quad is a sort of military grouping, पैसिफिक NATO और अलग-अलग इनको नाम दिए जाते हैं.
जी.
लेकिन जानबूझकर हमने किसी अलायंस के साथ ऐसे हम जुड़े नहीं हैं, क्योंकि हम यही चाहते हैं कि सभी देशों के साथ हमारे रिश्ते अच्छे हों और ज़रूरत पड़ने पर हम एक दूसरे की मदद भी कर सकें.
But do we get bothered कि Pakistan is a very good friend of China, but at the same time US is also showing interest in Pakistan. तो ये सब चीज़ें हमें कहीं बॉदर करती है लॉन्ग टर्म?
It should not bother us actually, because we have the measure of that country and we are far ahead of them. So we should not even, by comparing with Pakistan, we are actually lowering our standards. So you should always play with the better player if you want to improve.
Right.
तो पाकिस्तान एक ज़माना था 1980s में कि पाकिस्तान और इंडिया की GDP तकरीबन बराबर थी.
जी.
अब हम कहाँ के कहाँ पहुँच गए, 4th और 5th हाईएस्ट GDP इन द वर्ल्ड, और वो कहीं नहीं रहे.
But they are also number one in terrorism, sir.
तो why do we compare with them? So let us look at a much bigger picture. हाँ, लेकिन वो हमारे पड़ोसी देश है, उनके साथ तो हमें रिश्ता बनाए रखना ही पड़ेगा.
जी.
We have to discuss things with them. We have to stop cross-border terrorism. So those activities will continue. But I think on the global stage, we are a much better, much more valued and much more trusted partner who people know will, take principle-based decisions and not for short-term gains.
Right.
Which is what Pakistan has been successful in doing. Invariably, पहले against Afghanistan, then global war on terrorism, now as mediator here. But none of those have succeeded. At the end of that, after that short period of 3, 4, 5 years where they were in the limelight, they were again back to where they were. So we should not get perturbed by these small surges. We should continue on the path that we have chosen and march on and try to become stronger economically. At the end of the day, that is what makes the difference.